Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Snapchat. Let's get started. First open Snapchat app. Tap chat icon from bottom navigation bar. From chat long press on the contact you would like to block. Then tap more. And tap block. You can also block from chat conversation. Open the conversation to block that person, tap the profile icon on top left corner. Then tap three dots on top right corner. Then tap block. Are you sure you want to block this person? For confirmation tap block. That's it, the person blocked. So these are the steps to block someone on Snapchat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends.